Hello guys. Guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning from wherever that you're watching me from, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. This is the AIDOO'S Mixed Farms, as you know, guys. We bring you different interviews, different issues, and then different discussions. So today I want to go into a very trending issue that is going on. That is the Let's Fix Ghana issue. This has really been one of my major discussions about the development of Ghana, how we can help in our little ways to develop Ghana, how we can in our little ways pay our quota into developing Ghana. But it seems in one way or the other, anyway, anything that you do, things doesn't fall as you want because of certain things. Biscout Nana Prempe, Big Boss, big greetings to you. Same thing goes to Kudu Sheldon. You've been talking about the issues and the problems of Ghana for a long time, and I respect you for that, my brother. I have never met the two of you, but I hope and wish to work with you guys one day. This will be a great privilege for me, as well as our big brother who is in a big lead and doing wonderful things for the continent, or for the African continent as a whole. I want to please put my voice or say my my opinion in this issue. You wouldn't side with me, or maybe you wouldn't be with me on the same stream, but I think your opinion differs from mine, and I have my right of speech to say my mind, what I think. So fixing the system, for me, I think depends on everyone. It depends. It first starts from the top. If I say the top, then I'm talking about the president, who is the senior general of affairs. Then comes to our parliamentarians, our judiciaries, and then people in higher institutions. That is where the fixing of Ghana should start from. If you don't start the fixing of Ghana from these high positions, then the ordinary citizens will never want to dive into this problem. But then, as well as that, we are tackling our leaders, or we are putting everything and all the problems to our government, our leaders, and people in higher positions. We should think about what we, the individuals, are doing as well. What I mean by that is that there is a saying that says charity begins at home. And whatever upbringing that you give your kid, that is what exactly he or she is going to grow up with. To explain that into a little bit higher tone, I mean, we need some kind of formatting in leadership. We need some kind of huge laws. We need some kind of strict laws at the top. Because if we don't wipe these things away, the country Ghana is never, and Africa in general, is never going to develop. So first, we have to fix and then erase or format the hard disks. If I talk about the hard disks, the corruption up there. Because the corruption in Africa, corruption among our leaders is outrageous. You know, it is only in Africa, it is only in Ghana that parliamentarians steals the taxpayers' money and go scot-free. The thievery, corruption, it has to start from the top. And when corruption starts from the top, then we can come then to the ordinary citizens. When corruption is being cleared and dealt with, then we can talk about fixing the ordinary citizens. So first, the top: president, ministers, judiciary, and our police. You know, one thing I want to say is that we didn't vote for presidency, we didn't vote for our parliamentarians, for us, the citizens, to serve them, but the other way around. You people shouldn't think that we are here to serve you, but rather you people are there to serve us. I don't know how some people take the ministerial job like. I don't know what they think. They think that our ministers and our government, our president, our chief, they see themselves like mini gods in Africa. We have to bow before them instead of them bowing to us. It doesn't go this way. You guys, we have put you guys there to serve us. That is your work and not the other way around. Things need to change. Now, our second problem as Africans, our biggest obstacle is our mindset. You know, if I go into mindset, I'll talk about our attitude towards work and the dishonesty. Africa, the black man, has so much dishonesty inside him, and because of that, investors, people that has money, are afraid to invest and to open jobs for other people to get to do. That is why there's all these difficulties. You know, I'm a young person. I want to create job. I want to open something. I want to give back to the society so that someone just like me who is not having job or something to do can get work to do. But the first thing a black person, a Ghanaian, a Nigerian, a Kenyan think about the person who is coming to open job for him or she to do is thief-free. And this is very, very, very bad. That is why you see so many companies in Africa. You see so many big companies. They hire the Asians, they hire the Indians, they hire the other people to take affairs of their businesses. And then we sit there as ordinary citizens and we don't get job to do. It's because of dishonesty. If we don't change our attitude towards work, you tell a Ghanaian, you tell a black person, you know, our time punctuality, our time management as Africans, our time management as Ghanaians, this is very, very bad, and we don't work like that. If you come to Europe, Germany, everybody have a chip. When you go to work, you just slot your chip, your time gets recorded, and that is how we work. Punctuality in Europe is the key to success. Punctuality in every work is what grows and develops the country. This is what we have to learn as Africans. This is what we have to learn as blacks. Our mindset towards things, our attitude, and this type of dishonesty is what is bringing Africa down. Guys, our mindset. Now, unity. There is nothing like unity among blacks. There is nothing like unity. There is nothing like sharing of ideas. There is nothing like a common goal between blacks. That is one of our downfall. You know what makes Europeans stand? They are united. They work together for a common goal. But when you come to Africa, everything is being politicized. It's about time we stop the politicizing of everything. Everything that the black person does or do is being politicized. That is our biggest problem. If you don't stop this politicization, things will still and always remain the same. Let's stop the MPP, the NDC, the PMP, whatever, and begin to love ourselves. With unity, we can conquer. With unity, we can build Ghana. Because MPP will start something, NDC will come to power and say, "Oh, idiots, I'm not going to continue their project." Look at the Salima or whatever, the housing project is going on. Such a beautiful housing project that they've used the taxpayers' money to build, and it's going so waste. This is very outrageous. This is very saddening. This is very saddening. You know, if you take the NDC, if you take the MPP, if you take the CPP, everything away, let Ghana win. let's stop politicizing everything else. Ghana, Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Senegal, Togo, just name it. There's never going to be development in any of this African country. I'm not just talking about only Ghana alone, I'm talking about Africa in general. Our mindset. Guys, I started from our leaders who are very corrupt, and now our mindset. Let's change the kind of perception we go in towards with work. Let's change our perception towards work. Is our biggest problem. And when we change that, guys, believe me, Africa, Ghana, Togo, we're going to be there on the map. A country like Ghana, that has all the resources, just name cocoa, gold, timber, as our president always says, shouldn't be poor, but our leaders. It also goes back to them, the mindset. Their mindset is only corruption. Now again, if I say their mindset, I come to the youth also. Now you know your father or your parent will toil their sweat and take you to school. Guys, youth, if we adapt the mindset of I'm going to university and I don't have the mindset of I'm going to school and after school to get employed, but rather I'm going to school and after school I want to employ others, I want to create job for myself, then we're going to grow. If 30% of Ghana, if 30% of the youth have this kind of mentality, this kind of mindset, like I'm going to school and after that I'm going to open job for myself, I'm going to be my own boss, then the country Ghana, the country Africa is going to develop. If you come to the Western world, if you come to Germany, guys, 80% of the population or 80% of people living in this country, all the jobs and most works, most companies belongs to individuals. So they pay taxes and they develop the country. Now the last thing I want to talk about is law. You know, a country that is not governed by law, or a country that the citizens, a country that the president, the ministers, the parliamentarians, the judiciary doesn't abide by law will never grow. Even if the white comes to Ghana now and change Ghana, they build Ghana just like Germany, just like anywhere, without law, that country will never develop. And with this matter that is about the law, we the ordinary citizens are the most cause of it. I'm using the Kwame Nkrumah circle as an example. After it was renovated recently, we were told not to sell there, not to hawk, just name it. But no, the ordinary Ghanaians will still go and hawk and sleep there and make the place dirty. The ordinary Ghanaian will still put trash down there. When you ask the person why you are doing that, he or she will insult you. Do you sleep there? Our mentality, law. But then one thing is that it's always going to be like that because our leaders at the top, they don't abide the law. It is only in Ghana that you see the red light on, but then the parliamentarian, the judge will on his or her siren and drive through. We don't abide by the law because those people at the top who makes the law doesn't abide by it. How sad. If the people at the top, if corruption, if just name it, if they don't abide by this thing, then what about the ordinary citizens? But then it is only in Africa that the rich has power over everything and the poor person has nothing. It is only in Africa that the parliamentarian, the government, the ministers, they think they are mini gods. Our mindset. We are all part. Africans, Ghanaians, Ghana, the Ghanaian people, the African people, we are our own problems. So I would say, let's start fixing the top, then come gradually down. But in all situations, in all this discussion that is going on, let's fix Ghana, let's fix ourselves as individuals. Let's fix ourselves as ordinary citizens. Because if you get your gutters dirty, you're going to get sick as an ordinary citizen. You're going to die from it, and you see your stupidity. I hope I'm talking to someone. You know, dishonesty. Blacks, Ghanaians, the first thing that comes into our mind is to steal from each other. Everyone thinks he or she is above the law. We don't rule and we don't develop a country like this. What I'm here to tell you today, the reason why I'm here today is to tell you, change your mindset. Let everybody, including the ordinary citizens, attitude towards work, mindset on doing things, punctuality, respecting the laws. You know, it baffles me how the police think they can use their authority and then their power to distort on them, to just walk over everybody. The police, the immigrations, they distort. The thievery is too much. Stealing is too much in Africa. We need to change, or we will never develop. We need to change, else even if the Western world or if these people come to develop our country, we will still be at a standstill. The last but on the list, you know, there's a saying that goes this way: before an armed robber comes to your house to steal your precious diamond, gold, silver, just name it, there's always an insider that gives the tip. And I'm talking about those people at the top, our presidents, Nana Akufo-Addo. Now we, the youth of Africa, we are wising up. The better you fix Ghana, the better for everybody. You know, the one thing I would tell African youth is just simple. If they will not fix Ghana, if they will not fix Africa, we shouldn't vote. I think it has remained 2 more years for voting to be cast. I don't know if I'm right. Let's say no to voting. Then they will see. They saw me. It is very sad. It is very, very sad. Biscal Nana Prempe, I greet you. Koju Sheldon, I greet you. Wadamaya, you have the population, you have the voice. Come out. Wadamaya, you have the voice, you have the number. You have the numbers. Let's have an African summit. Let's have a Ghanaian summit. And let's talk Africa. Let's talk about Ghana. Let's have a youth meeting. And let's discuss about how we can develop Ghana in our little way. Until then, I'm Evans AIDOO. I'm AIDOO'S Mixed Fam, as you know, as usual. Different discussions, and I just wanted to pull out my little opinion into this matter. Let's fix Ghana. I might be wrong, I might be right. You can leave your comments down there. My goal and my aim is that let Africa win. If you put parties and anything, everything aside, let Ghana win. Let's stop politicizing everything. Let's stop politicizing everything, guys. Until then, I wish you a good afternoon. I wish you a good day, wherever that you are. Guys, our mindset towards everything, towards work, unity, togetherness, and we will build a good Ghana and a good Africa. Until then, I say respect to everyone who is helping in developing of Africa. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.